Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope
Show.
I'm
Doug. And I'm
Brent.
And today we will be looking at a 7-inch, actually.
7-inch, 45 RPM.
7-inch, 45 RPM record. Who is
Well,
this?
this happens to be Cindy Lauper, Time
After Time. And what's the
With
B-side?
I'll Kiss You.
I'll
is
Kiss
the
You.
B-side.
And wait, let me see this. So that's how you hold records, like this. You know, that way you're not touching any of the grooves. And this is how they teach you in disc jockey school.
Of course, I went to DJ school and I failed.
And so let's see what happens here.
Okay.
Look at that now. Okay, you know what? That's kind of neat.
Let's see if I can look at it on an angle. Look at that.
Oh, you can, wow. You can see the sort of different, sort of inclines and stuff, that create the sounds.
That's cool.
You thought you couldn't see that. You wouldn't be able to see that. Look at that. You're being able to see it.
I am able to see it.
That is pretty neat.
I didn't think we were going to be able to get that close, but we did.
Wow, look at this. You can see where the sounds are.
Those look like
more
ridges, not grooves. But are those grooves or ridges? What we're looking at?
Well, the grooves are each of these. I don't know, actually.
Just hard to tell.
But if you can try to just
Let's
hit
just
one
straight
spot.
over.
Well, yeah. That angle was kind of cool, but I know it's kind of hard to keep it steady.
Gets shiny. It gets kind of shiny.
Try to do that angle.
Especially on a plastic product like this. Whoa.
That's interesting. A little bit not as close, but...
How did I get closer before?
Yeah, you were close as heck.
How did that happen? Look.
Wow.
I think I went like this.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, this is how you get close as heck.
How did you get that close shot?
Here we go.
Ah, yes.
Whoa.
So, if you can... There's some certain sections where you can see...
Well, it's low res because we're going in 1000x on the zoom.
Okay, so look.
Yeah, look
so you can
that.
see there's activity here, and that right there, there's obviously...
Look at that one on the right. It's like taking a hard turn.
Yeah, there's something going on there.
Oh.
Yeah, well, I wonder what that sounds like.
What does that sound like?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then there's something going... I wonder if when you see kind of a lot of bumps, if that means there's a lot of percussion stuff going on there maybe or something like that?
I don't know. There's no way to know.
Can I try?
There it is.
Wow,
Those are the grooves of a record.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What are we seeing? How are we seeing this?
How are we seeing
Look at
this?
that. Isn't that kind of crazy that it looks like steps going up somewhere? And they're all different. It's not just a uniform thing.
Let me try something. I want to see what the edge of the record looks like,
Right.
So I'm going to do it like this and go 40x. Look at that. That's the edge. That's the edge of the vinyl record right there.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, there's that little clear leader. You put it on and it's just silent until it brings it into the sound.
Right.
You can see where the sound kind of starts right here.
Right.
Look at that, silent on the bottom, and then music starts.
Right. Records are crazy, actually. It's crazy how that creates sound.
How did they figure this out?
How did they figure that out?
Like so long ago.
And long ago, I know, exactly.
It's
in some ways, that's more impressive than these microchips and computers and stuff,
This just proves that there's a lot more going on than we think.
If you take a closer look.
If you take a closer look.
We'll see you next time. Microscope, microscope, microscope show.